welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download house flippers on your PC or laptop. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Steam website. So let's go ahead and search for Steam, and here you can see this is our website. Click on this website, and over here what you have to do is click on install Steam button. If you don't have the app installed, you have to click on this button right here and then click on install Steam. After that, you have to make your Steam account. So for that, you can just click on login and you can click on create account over here, and you can fill in the information. So I have already installed Steam, so I'm gonna open the Steam application now. Alright, so once you reach here, what you have to do is click on the search button above and then search for house flipper. Alright, so here this is our game. So let's click on this house flipper, and then you'll see this store page for this game. And when you scroll down, you can see it is now on $8.49, and you can buy the DLC as well. So to install this game, what you have to do is click on add to cart, and once you do that, you have to make some payments over here. So let's go ahead and view our cart over here, and you have to click on continue to payment. Of course, if I remove all of this, it will just cost me $8.49. So once you click on continue to payment, you'll have to make the payment with your payment method that you have added, and once you do that, the game will show up on your library, and from there you can just install the game and then enjoy playing it. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to download and install House Flipper on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.